When an olive tree is covered in these buds, people think that these are olives. In fact, these are the florets. These are small flowers which will develop on olives. Usually, they don't develop all of them. Some of them will drop off and some of them will develop. As we all know, olives are pollinated by wind, and so if it's a windy day, we're talking not hurricane scale, but a normal breeze like today. When the flowers open, these are still closed, when the flowers open, they will get cross-pollinated. And therefore, the fruit has a viable chance of developing. To increase the chance that it pollinates, we can also spray or water boron mineral. Boron is a mineral which helps, one, in pollination, so the tree holds up more fruit. And the second thing is, it will help develop the fruit all at the same size. For example, you won't have a large fruit like this and one small like this. They will all be a uniform size, and so you can harvest them all together. So it's ideal to spray them with boron. This is just a trace element, a vitamin, let's say that, which will help give the tree some energy to hold up more fruit and develop it at the same size. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, give us a thumbs up and subscribe.